Mathematics exercise 2.5. Here, next 15th question. 15th question. Give positive expression for the length and breadth of the rectangle whose area is given by 4a square plus 4a minus 3, and the second one is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Here, the positive expression for the length and breadth, what is given here? Only area is given. We need to find out the possible expressions for the length and breadth. Let us take first question, 4a square plus 4a minus 3, it is the area. So let's take let L and B are breadth, length and breadth of the rectangle. L for length, B for breadth. Length and breadth of a rectangle. Know that the area of the rectangle is given here, 4a square plus 4a minus 3. Here, LB is equal to area of the rectangle formula, L into B. L into B is equal to 4a square plus 4a minus 3. And here take a first to last term, 3 into 4a square, that is equal to 12a square. So 12, we need to take a factors for this. So we get, so when we multiply, we need to get 12a square, and when we add, we get 4a. That's why we take 6a and 2a. 6 2s are 12, a into a square. But we need to get minus, means that's why we take here minus 2a. So 6 minus 2, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. And 6 2s are 12. So plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. Here also 4 is a 12. There is a minus is there. So minus 12a. Minus 12a. Now we take here 4a square plus 6a minus 2a minus 3. Then take common 2a for both of these. We get 2a and 4a square means 2 2s are 4, a into a square. That's why we take 2a common and 2a we need. We have here and plus here 6a. When we take 2a's common, 2 3s are 6, 3 here, and minus 1 take the common, and minus 1 into 2a same 2a, and minus into minus plus. So minus into plus minus. So same minus 1 into 3, 3 minus 3. That's why we take 1 is common, minus 1. Thereafter 2a plus 3, 2a plus 3 is a common, then 2a minus 1 is remain. So this is the length and this is breadth. So the length is equal to 2a plus 3, length is equal to 2a plus 3, and breadth is equal to 2a minus 1. Now take a possible expression, possible values of L and B. Let's take a is equal to 1, then length is equal to 2a plus 3 is the length, a is substitute a is equal to 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 is become 5. Then breadth is equal to, same L is equal, B is equal to 1, a is equal to 1. 2a minus 1, 2 into 1 minus 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 1, 1. So length is equal to 5, breadth is equal to 1. And take possible value of 2. Length is equal to, a is equal to 2 means 2a plus 3. In a place you can write 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 become 7. Thereafter same breadth is equal to 2a minus 1. 2a minus substitute a is equal to 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1, 3. And you can do yourself. A is equal to 2 more, you can do 3 and one more, a is equal to 4. Substitute, you can solve 2 more possible expressions. Thereafter second one is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Here also we take the length into breadth is equal to length and L and B means, so length and breadth. This is also 25a square minus 35a plus 12. And you can multiply first term, last term, 12 into 25a square. That is equal to 300 a square, 300 a square. But we need to get this minus 35 here. So we take these factors. So factors means where it is 20 and 50. 20, 50 is again 300. Again 300, and we need to get here minus 35. Minus 35 is take both minus, both minus and minus added 20 plus 15, 35. Plus 35. So 28 and 15a. 28 and 15a. Now we take 20, right? 25a square, 35a means by splitting this, we get minus 28 minus 15a. So plus 12. So then common 25 or 20, it is the both are multiples of 5. So we take 5a as common, and 5a we take common means we get again 5a. So 5a into 5a again 25a square. Minus here also 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. So then here we take both the 3 multiples. 15 and 12 are 3 multiples. So that's why we take minus 3 as a common. Here it is 5a and minus 4. So then 5a minus 4 and 5a minus 4 both are taken common, and then 5a minus 3 is big. So that is 5a minus 3 is a small 5a minus 4. Because in subtraction 5a minus 3 we get a length. Why? Because 5a it is a length. So if you subtract this, we get smaller number. Let's see. Let a is equal to 1, then 5a minus 3. 5a minus 3. See. So that's equal to 5 into in a plus 1 substitute, then you get 3. So 5 minus 3 become 2. After breadth is equal to 5a minus 4. 5 into 1 minus 4, that is equal to 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1 as remainder. So for some time we take a break. This 5a minus 4 is the length. So length becomes small, breadth becomes more. That's why we take 5a minus 3 as length and 5a minus 4 as breadth. So thereafter you can substitute a is equal to 2 and a is equal to 3. You get the result. Do it yourself. Do at yourself. These two compulsory. Next question. What are the dimensions of the cuboid? What are the expressions? Possible expressions. What are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboids whose volume are given? What is given? Volume. Before area is given and perimeter now here volume. So what are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboid whose value or volume are given below? So what is the given below volume? 3x square minus 12x. 3x square minus 12x. Let's take volume means what is the volume of the cuboid formula? LBH. Length into breadth into height. Let's take L, B and H are length, breadth and height of the cuboid. Next, volume of the cuboid is equal to given question 3x square minus 12x. We know the volume of the cuboid LBH is equal to take both in 3x is common. In here, when you take 3x is common, here it is only x is there, 3x into x again, x square, and here 3 multiple, 12 multiple is 3, yes, so that's why we take 3 4s are 12, so 4 we have taken. Then here it is x means, so x value will be only changes, but 3 constant, that's why we can take 3 as, but x is length, x minus 4 is height. Here suppose we take where the values L is equal to x, b is equal to 3, x is equal to x minus 4. Here for x is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. When you take the x value 1, okay, x value 1 is 1 minus 4, it becomes negative answer, so it becomes minus 3. So 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Suppose 2 take means 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. 3 take means 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. 4 take means 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So this all values here become negative and one more is 0. We can't take this. So all become 0. Length to breadth all become 0. That's why we take more than 4. More than 4 means x is equal to 5. Let take x is equal to 5. B is equal to 3 is a constant. Already we taken it is. And h is equal to 5 minus 4. That is equal to 1. H value 1. Then take x is equal to 6, substitute the value, L is equal to 6 and B is equal to 3 as it is, always B is equal to 3, B is equal to 3, same. Then H is equal to 6 minus 4, you get the result, and 7 minus 4, you get the result. So L only X, L value must be changes and B value must be constant. Then next question. Volume of the cuboid LBH is equal to, question is 12y square plus 8y minus 20. We can convert this as like length to breadth to and height. So that means we take common 4. So that means here 4 take common, it becomes 3y square plus. So these all are multiples of 4. So 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are. So it becomes C 4 3s are, 4 2s are, 4 5s are. So take 4 is common all of this. What is the remaining? 3, 2 and 5. That means 3y square plus 2y minus 5. Thereafter 3y square plus 12y minus 5. Take a factors of first term and last term and splitting the middle term. So that means 5 3s are 15. 5 3 is 15. What is here? Minus is there. Minus 15 by square. Minus 15 by square. Take a factors of this. We know that 5 3 is 5, 3 is 15. Then you subtract 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 becomes 15. Here it is 5 minus 3 becomes 2y. So that's why 5y minus 3y. 5 is 15 y into y square plus into minus minus. And you can add 5y minus 3y is equal to 2y. Right. So then take here 4 into 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. Then both of these take y as common. So it becomes 3y plus 5. And here take minus 1 is common. 3y plus 5. Why? Because minus into plus minus. So that's why. Then 4. Here it is common. 3y plus 5. 3y plus 5. Then y minus 1. So 3y plus y common and y minus 1 is remain. So here it is length is equal to 3y plus 4. 3y plus 5. Then breadth is equal to 4 is a constant. Breadth not be changes. And height is equal to y minus 1. Let's substitute length y is equal to 1. When you substitute y is equal to 1, it becomes 0. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So that's why we can't take y value 1. And like y is equal to more than 1. That means 2. When you take y is equal to 2, so length is equal to 3 into 2 plus 5. That is equal to 3 to the 6 plus 5. That is equal to 6 plus 5, 11. Then breadth is equal to always 4. Breadth is equal to 4. Not be changes. And height is equal to 2. See here. 3y plus 5. When you take y is equal to 1, let take y is equal to 1, it must be all our length, breadth and height all 0. That's why we take y is equal to 2. Let y is equal to 2. So you take y is equal to 2. Length is equal to 3 into 3y plus 5. That means 3 into 2. Just we are substituting value of y. Here, what is the y? 2. Just we are substituted here 2. 2 plus 5 is equal to, so 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 5, 11. Then we take breadth. Breadth always constant. Breadth always constant, 4. So then height is equal to y minus 1. Y minus 1 means what is the y value already we taken? 2. Substitute 2. 2 minus 1. That is equal to 1. Then you can solve y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Do what? Yourself. You can solve this just to substitute in right place. But b is same both cases. 4. b is equal to 4. Here also b is equal to 4. Then b is equal to 4 always. You can solve any more questions. And you can solve this 4, this 2 and no. So our next question is last question in this exercise, 17th question. Show that if 2 into a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square, then a is equal to b. We can to prove a is equal to b. We need to prove a is equal to b. So it means let's take given that given 2 into a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. So multiply 2 with a square plus b square, you get 2a square plus 2b square is equal to, already we know that a plus b whole square identity, that means a square plus b square plus 2ab or a square plus 2ab plus b square, whatever it is, both are same. Then transfer right hand side to all values from left hand side, that means 2a square plus 2b square minus a square minus b square minus 2ab that is equal to 0. Nothing is the right answer. That's why you can write 0. So then 2a square minus a square, a square, 2b square minus b square, b square plus b square. So this we are subtracting here. Minus 2ab. That is equal to 0. Again it becomes a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 0. So you see here a square plus b square plus 2ab means a plus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab, it becomes a minus b whole square is equal to 0. Then a minus b is equal to 0. We can transfer 2 square goes to right hand side, become root, but the value is 0. So we can write 0. Now minus b transferred to right hand side. Now a is equal to b. A is equal to b. We have proved.